Today is June 5th, 2019, Wednesday. Is Hari Raya Puasa, where the Muslim break fast today. It is a public holiday. It's around 8 a.m. I'm surprised that the Oriental Garden Lizard is still around. I've been away for 7 days, so I have not come here to check out on him, but today he's there. Although it thinks I cannot see him, and I won't go near to him because he would just run away or hop down the tree and disappear. So this is just to document that this changing lizard must have his home here, because he's been here for at least a few weeks on this tree at about this time, 8 a.m. and as you can see, he is really camouflaged. It looks like part of the tree trunk. The tail is 2/3 the length of the body, and of course he's eyeing me. He thinks that I can't see him, although he knows I can see him. If I get nearer, he will just hop away. So I shall not go nearer and just take some photos of him. You see the same one? Now there are some insects and butterflies in this tree earlier on, but now it seems that the flowers are all gone and there's not much insects, occasional butterfly, and I shall stop now just to document the presence of this Oriental Garden Lizard or changing lizard. Today, Hari Raya Puasa, June 5th, 2019, Singapore.